Transform your vision into reality with our free giant flower quote and mock-up service. Tell us what you want, and we'll make it super cool for you, for free. Whether you're planning an exclusive gala, a wedding extravaganza, or a corporate event, our giant flower displays and centerpieces are designed to impress. I'm Adriana from Amazing Giant Flowers, where we're all about making your event stunning without the stress. Planning an event and overwhelmed by flower options? We get it. That's why we offer a range of sizes and prices so you can mix and match to fit your style and budget perfectly. Worried about how they'll fit into your space? No sweat. Our free mock-up service lets you see exactly how our flowers will look and what they'll cost, whether you're decorating a venue or presenting to a client. Need a specific color or setup? Our flowers are custom painted and easy to assemble. Just place the base, insert the stem, and arrange the flowers. It's that simple. Rain or shine, our flowers are built to last, withstand outdoor events, and are reusable for multiple occasions. Storage? No problem. Each flower comes in a beautiful hat box that doubles as a storage solution. And with shipping in 2 to 5 days, they're ready when you are. Though, crafting them takes a bit longer, about 25 to 60 days. Picture this: stunning giant flower displays that captivate with their beauty and elegance. From exquisite centerpieces that grace your dining tables to breathtaking backdrops that set the stage for your celebrations, our flowers are more than decor. They're an experience. Crafted using the finest materials, our flowers are not only beautiful, but also durable. Transform your event into an unforgettable experience with Amazing Giant Flowers. Fill out the form below with details of your next event, and let's collaborate on creating a masterpiece that leaves a lasting impression.